Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be playing Do Not Press the Button. Okay? Play. Hit the most cut words. 35 seconds. Oh. Okay. Die. Please. Okay. Oh, I get 1 point. How much points? Oh, I have 6 points. 9. Okay. 11. 12. 14. 15. 18. Yes. Okay, bro. I got this. Okay. It's a... Oh, wait, I won? I'm not sure if I won or not. I won. Skip the cave. It's like an obby. Dun 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 dun. I'm a pro. I'm a pro. Bro, I'm a pro. I'm in the league too. I was the first one. I was the first one. These people died, so I won. I won. I know I did. I need to press the button. No. Get ready to color these tiles. Team wins. Okay. Oh, don't worry. I got this whole. I got this whole thing. Bro, is this playing the Mario Kart music, bro? Bro, it's playing the Mario Kart music. Hey, no. No, I ain't following you. I ain't following this person. This is just me. I'm just following them. Red one. Red one. Yes, let's go. I'm built different. Button, button. Did I press it? No, I didn't press it. Okay. A diamond is in the cave. Collect it before everyone else. Okay. Everyone's just going the wrong way a bit. Oh, okay. I went into a dead end. Already? Jesus, Travis. Okay. Bubble wrap. Satisfying. I'm doing one of the corners. I like the corners. Whenever I do a bubble wrap, I like doing the corners. It's the most satisfying one. Okay. Ah! I fell! Dang it, I fell. Okay, what's in the shop? What can you buy? Sparkle. 100 diamonds? How much diamonds? I have 0. Wow. Money? I'm rich. Ducks. Wait, I need bubbles. I need bubbles. Bubbles my favorite. Exit. You can't go on those. Okay, you die. Find the correct pad. I'm not going on any of them. No. I'm dying. Hey, you stole my love. Okay, let's see what's next. Try walking on the correct path. Yes, I'm built different. Ha! I'm built different. I'm built different. No! Bro, I got most of them. You gotta help me, bro. Hey, bro, I got most of them. Bro, I could have gotten the first one. Yes, I clicked it. Let's go, bro. I clicked it. I'm built different. Let's go trick or treating. Oh, I love Halloween. Halloween is my favorite. Should we knock? Yes. No, no, no. Yes. We all should. Yes. Yes. Let's knock. You're dead. You're dead. Oh, okay. Never mind. Phew. It wasn't a ghost. Nom nom. Lick my face. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Let's go, bro. I clicked it. Ah. Defend from the noobs. I got this side. I got this side, bro. Okay, I got this side. No! What are you doing? What are you guys doing? Okay, Okay, I got the side. Die. I'm just gonna stay right here. Okay, me and this girl have this side. Got the side. Okay. Me and this girl has this side. Are they all just spawning on the over there or what? Bro, what are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Oh, hammer! Oh, nah! Oh, nah! Bro, nah! Hurry, hurry. Oh, I wish I could go out. Okay. There's nobody coming at least. But what are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Go, 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 go. I gotta sacrifice myself. I gotta do it for the people. Yes! Only with 117 more health left. I pressed it, I pressed it. London the chef is missing. Oh my god, bro. Why are you doing it? Bro, why are you doing it? Bro, grab it yourself, bro. Like you should do it yourself. I got it. There we go. We got all of it. What are they doing? What the heck? Ooh, we got cake. Can we eat it? Ha, I clicked it. Okay. Ready for the snowball fight? Nah, bro. Oh, you take damage. Die. Guys, always be nice to each other in real life. This is just a Roblox game, not real. Die! They're almost dead. How are they not dead yet? How are they not dead yet? I'm killing you. Yes, finally got them. Let's go. Built different. I built different. Yes, let's go. I got most of the kills though, to be honest though. Okay. Time to play Death Run. Super Trini has to stop the runners from reaching to the end. They're traps. Ha. Come on, bro. I know you want to come. Ha. Okay, well, apparently those people don't know what they're doing, so. Bruh. Apparently, they don't know what they're doing. I can activate all of them. There we go, I activate all of them. Come on, bro. So that means I won, right? Right? I'm not sure. Oh, my God. Said music, bro. I'm saying it, bro. Bro, how they fall? Sorry, misclicked. Bro, me and this guy are goated. Bro, we are goated. Let's go. Alright, we could do it again. Bet. I just like a million times. Bet. Go, go, go. Yeah. Go. Please, go. Please, go. Go, go, go. Okay, yeah, that was probably the last time. You can still try to do it. Speed run, go. I we did like a bunch of times. Don't fall. Okay, bet. Ah! Dang, that was big. Ah! I'm just built different, bro. Stop moving it. Go and jump on top of it, bro. Okay. Okay. You guys are pushing me on this side! No! Yes! You got, bro, they were pushing it, so I would fall. Die. Everyone shall die. Why am I the only one that get picks? Except for like other people. Okay, he was the only one that I didn't kill because he looks sick. Ah! Ah! Do not fall. If I fall right now, I will regret everything in my life. I will regret everything. And I will. Yeah, bro, me and him are the GOAT. Yeah. Oh, I got a badge. Crazy mountain climber. Yep, it was just me and him left. Yep, okay. Everyone died. So what's next? Roll your snowballs to make the bigger. The hack is just stay in the middle. Well, I found one. Mine is the biggest so far. I know it. Oh, this one right there. Someone stole it. Yes, I got it. Got that one. Got that one. I won. I won. Yes, let's go. I'm built different. Let's go. Okay. What's next? Oh. Okay. Same music again. Insane, bro. Bro doesn't want to get Ethan. Yeah. No, I'm not going. Nah, I ain't going. Are they farting? No, I ain't going. Nah, bro, I'm not doing that again, bro. I'm not doing that. I got poop on my head. Zombies and skeletons will come out to the graves soon. Okay. Die. You got this one, bro. Zombies. And a skeleton, too. Skeleton, die. Again? Why are there so many skeletons coming out this one? Okay, the zombies are just one shot. The skeletons are like 2 shot. Another zombie? Why are there so many zombies? Why are there so many zombies? Or skeletons? So many skeletons. 3 in a row. It's not making me faster, but okay. Okay, what's next? Huh? Ah! Ah! Okay, I'm looking up. I'm doing this, bro. Bro, please! I do not want to die today. Okay, oh! I didn't even touch it. How did I die there? I didn't even touch it, but okay. Okay, what's next? Uh-oh, a bomb. Push it into the base plate before it explodes. Easy. Score a goal. Bruz. Bruz. Actual bruz, bro. Back each other? Bet. I'll just keep on getting these people. Hey, bro, die. Stay over here, bro. Oh no, someone's in the lead with 8. No, bro. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We're built different. 20, 21. I won. Yes! I'm built different. Okay, guys, well, that'll be it for the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!